We are on the way to pick up another car, which is thankfully closer. This one I looked at a year ago tomorrow. So tomorrow to the day, I looked at this car and we just didn't agree on price. And I hit him up yesterday and said, hey, I offered him a lot lower than he wanted and we negotiated a little bit, but he took it. So I'm headed to pick that up. I've not had one like this before. It's actually a drag car, so non-running currently. He says it will run, but it's been sitting for a long time. But a drag car, it's got slicks on it. Yeah, let's go check it out. Probably won't be able to video much there. He is an older guy and I don't know if he wants to be filming or not, so, but we'll get it. We'll snap a few videos of it and take a peek at it when we get back. Who's your daddy? Look at that. Let's unload it. Let's see how this works. Impressive.
Very impressive. She's firm. Could the winch perhaps be doing that?
Holy smoke.
Not the snow though.
All right, let's try this.
Impressive.
Impressive. The owner insists that it will start, and this thing's been a pain to even just get up near the barn here, and it's gonna be more of a pain to get in the barn. So I'm gonna see if I can start it and drive it in the shop. I have my doubts. This car sat for 12 years. He said he started it every year, but man, I just have a hard time believing it's actually going to start. So I'm gonna swap a battery in it, give her some starting fluid, and see if we can get it started. Even if I get this thing started, I'm kind of gonna be surprised if I can drive it because it's got slicks on it. So it's not gonna want to, well, maybe I'll just try the jump pack first. We've got power. How many miles on the dash? I'm curious. 28,000 miles. Oh my word. That is crazy. Okay, I mean, it turns over and sounds pretty good. 28,000 miles on the dash. That is crazy. It's not an STI or anything, but still got me feeling some type of way. Yeah, there's no way this thing fires up. There's no way. I can smell the ether. Yeah, not surprised. All right, that sucks. We'll give her one more go. Nothing. Unsurprising. Worth a shot though. All right, I have to get her in the shop another way. It just sucks getting it in the shop with all the snow. 28,000 miles on the dash. That is crazy. Definitely will show that on camera. You don't see that almost ever. What? We're going in the barn, but we're not. Like it's gonna be a process, let's just say that. This is such a pain. Turn! Turn! Thank you. She didn't roll too good because the Hoosiers aren't holding air anymore. These ones are, it looks like. Yep. Just this side. 28,000 miles is diabolical. I'll do a short little story on how I got this car. Somebody messaged me off one of my listings and he used to drag race this thing. He said it was the fastest Subaru in Michigan at the time, which I don't know how fast that was. But yeah, it's on Hoosiers. It's got a fuel cell. It's got a half cage. It's got a rotated kit with a precision turbo. I don't know what size precision. There's the precision turbo. It's just an open dump exhaust, so she's probably loud. You can see some of the half cage stuff here. It's got Kirky seats. It's got an 07 STI 6-speed. It's got DSS rear axles and then a R160 with a locker in it. Yeah, Sparco steering wheel, standalone ECU. I wonder what standalone it's got. I think it's an older setup. Let's see. I think it was a standalone. I'm gonna zip that off because I'm curious. Looks like it's got AEM standalone. Look at that. Unfortunately, that kind of stuff is not used very much anymore. My stuff. Yeah, super cool setup. We're gonna try and start this thing. He was so confident it will run, but I'm gonna be really surprised. But let's give it a shot. All right, let's see if we got fuel pressure. Holy smokes.
That's a loud pump.
Yeah, it is. Nope. Still have pressure?
Yeah, you're getting pressure as you're cranking it.
So I couldn't get this thing started last night. I'm just gonna try and spray ether closer to the source where it needs to be if we can get this off. It's kind of what I figured might be difficult. Don't want to hit that positive terminal. And where else can we go in? Into the brake booster hose. Let's try it. She wants to fire. She wants it. Ooh, ooh, she's stanky. It's quite the fuel pump, isn't it? That sounds weird.
That's like seizing. Yes, something just.
What the heck? I don't know. I don't think this thing wants to run.
Yes, a little bit of starting fluid.
More ether solves all problems.
It ain't starting. It ain't flammable enough.
That's for sure, brother. I mean, the more ether is helping.
Do you?
Wee, 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 wee. I mean, it's helping. Every time I spray it, it's gonna get stanky in here. It's strong in here. I really want to just be able to shoot it right into there. I'm gonna unbolt this. Maybe that'll help. Stanky. Don't do this to me. I don't like this. Come on, get out of there. Oh, the nuts. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. No, she's not going back on. No. Please stop. Came off so easy. Why is it going on so hard? At this point, I need another shot of ether. This guy didn't make this intercooler piping very friendly. It's gonna work now. All right, we can get it. Throttle wide open. All right, come on, baby. Why does it do that? I can't tell if it's trying to run on the fuel or if it's only running on the ether.
Seems like just that.
It's fumey in here. I'm feeling a little fruity. Please just start and stay running. All right, let's try the ether one more time. Or until we run out or pass out. I'm out.
Just like that.
Don't call me Basketball Rob for any reason. I don't think we're gonna get her to start. At least we have something on video of figure guns. Bummer, I wanted to actually drive it. If it would start and idle, I would throw some different wheels on it and I wanted to drive it.
Too bad.
I know, too bad, so sad. Let's get this place ventilating.
On to the next.
All right, I'm ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. I lost count for a second there. Oh, am I gonna be able to get this intercooler pipe out? Oh, yes, I did. Yes, I did. I did that. Yes, I did. Oh boy. Yeah, this is not gonna be enjoyable. I'm curious what precision turbo this is when I get it out. Although I'm not even gonna be able to enjoy looking at it because I'm in such a hurry. This car hasn't been apart in probably, I mean, it's gotta be at least, what do you think? If it's been sitting for 12 years, how long ago do you think it was built? 18 years ago? How long ago was 2005? 21 years? I mean, who knows? Maybe it was built from brand new. I have no clue. I kind of doubt it, but you never know, I guess. Who is your daddy? How am I supposed to get to this intercooler pipe? This is not looking so good. Everything's just facing the wrong way. I'm probably gonna have to take the bumper off, and that seems to take a million years on these things. Let's try this. Of course it's bolted. Why wouldn't it be? Funsies. Oh my word, I hope the other one comes off that easy. Still a couple minutes wasted on just trying to get the bumper off though. Man, this transmission's mint. What do you think makes it more difficult to take something apart? Something that's 21 years old with not many miles, or something that's like 10 years old with way more miles? So like age or miles? Because all the hardware is coming out way better than I would have anticipated. Can you bless a woman money-wise? Crazy statement. Yes? Yes, Ben, whatever you say. Yeah, there's no way we're breaking this record. Like, I feel like we haven't done anything yet.
We never know.
It's just gonna fly apart. I'm gonna sneeze, the engine's gonna separate from the trans, and I'm gonna yank her out.
It's gonna be like a nice tender brisket.
So hungry. I am so hungry. Come on, bumper, just come right off. Listen to me, listen to me. Do as I say, do as I say. Nobody gets hurt if you do as I say. All right, not doing as I say. Oh, there's a clip there. I don't wanna break this grill. There we go. Bumper! Dang, this is a nice looking intercooler. Precision turbo! Golly, it's all one piece all the way to there. Holy smokers. I did cut the vacuum line, okay? You can always extend it a little bit. Stop yelling at me. Sheesh. Some heavy piping. Anyone with a larger brain than me, can you please explain to me why there is a wastegate welded onto the intercooler piping? Can somebody please tell me why? There's also a wastegate on the up pipe. Somebody comment, please. I actually want to know. Okay, I see how this is going. Please, please, please. There we go, come on. Ugh. There we go. Snug fit, I'll tell you that. All right, intercooler piping is off. Let's get this catch can out of here. Man, oh man, oh man. This thing's set up nicely. This car was definitely built right. And if people are wondering why I'm tearing this apart, it's just because I want to. I'm kidding. Because I can. No, it's because, I mean, this is such an old setup. We could barely get it to run. We could run it on brake fluid or starting fluid, but other than that, we couldn't get it to run. It's gonna be basically impossible to get it running good and sell it. So I'm gonna sell the shell to somebody. I already got a couple people interested, so we're gonna do that. And then a bunch of other people can get a bunch of good parts out of it. I've never heard of this intercooler brand. CR Racing Incorporated. All right, we're actually not looking too bad, but I think this turbo kit's gonna be, I think it's gonna be bad. We are gonna have to cut something, okay? We're cutting something. He's got it hardwired. I have to cut it, there's no other way. It's impossible. That's gonna suck, I can tell you right now. There goes the downpipe. So instead of taking the turbo off of the up pipe and fighting that, because man, oh man, these things are not set up to come apart easily, and taking the wastegate off of the up pipe as well, that's another challenge. And so it's looking like I can just unbolt the up pipe from the header and pull the entire assembly out as one. And that will simplify things immensely. So we're gonna try that. Is that my socket? That ain't my socket. Somebody's lost a socket. Long extension, don't fail me now. Boy, she's on there now. Oh, no, that's not good. Oh my word. That's might be it for us folks. Let's try this bottom one. Why? Oh my word. Holy crap. Oh boy. Either something broke or something came free. Oh, it came free. Yes, yes. Can't believe it came out. We're getting kind of close, but not really. I'm sweating. I am ravenous. I'm so hungry. Oh boy. Clutch fork pin is not being friendly, and that's not a good thing. Oh no, not good. We figured it out. Oof. Oh my word. That was a sucker. Oh yeah, come on. Nearing ready? I'm gonna say 127. Am I higher? 137.
107.
107, okay, it's not that bad. Well, the up pipe bolts were really hard to get off. Look at that turbo. Sheesh. Dang. Precision turbo. Dang. All right, she's out. That was attempt number 5. Kind of like what I expected. Better than I expected, actually, time-wise. This car is pretty well put together. Sometimes they're just so horrible that it's just, you fight forever to get things apart. But not too bad. 28,000 mile shell going off to the new owner. Very awesome. Off she goes. When I bought that car, I did not have plans to fix it, and so I'm really glad I found somebody to purchase the shell from me to save that thing. The guy was from Pennsylvania. I think he was about 10 hours away. He bought that thing and he was gonna turn it back into a drag car, but with more updated stuff. He said he didn't want to cut up his STI and he was just gonna use this that was already kind of prepped for it. But yeah, it was super cool, low mileage. Definitely the lowest mileage car I've seen, especially an older one. We got the engine race done, not my best time. Had some good parts on it, but lots of older stuff that just doesn't sell well, unfortunately. But if you enjoyed watching this, make sure to stick around. We've got tons of more videos coming out, lots of new cars. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video.